Konnichiwa, Roxanne des, and this is Kawaii Neko. Hello, Kawaii Neko. And welcome to my April Japan crate video. Yeah, so this is late because I had to get a wisdom tooth pulled, unfortunately, and we're never getting that done again, are we? No, never again. But finally, we're gonna try the April crate. We've actually just got the May crate today, so we'll probably be putting that video out very, very soon. And here is everything that comes inside. Yay! Alright, so this first one we're going to try so we can drink it while we're eating everything is the peach Coca-Cola. I'm more of a Pepsi person, so I usually don't drink Coke products, but it's Japanese, so I'm sure it's going to be pretty good. Let's try it. I have to save some for my husband. Uh-oh. Oh, don't want it to explode. Alrighty. Here we go. You gonna try it too? And sniff? Oh, sniff. The kitties thinks it's treats for them. Let's see. Tastes like Coke and has a very weak aftertaste of peach. It's not bad. I like it. So we'll keep that around while we try everything else. Save some for my husband. And Kawaii Neko's falling. Ah! Don't fall, Kawaii Neko. Don't fall. Ah! Alright, so let's see. Here's this first thing. And it looks kind of like it's caramel flavored macchiato, and it kind of looks like cereal, I guess. I don't know. Let's find out. Can I open it? That's what it looks like on the inside. Alright. That's interesting. It's like foamy, but also creamy, like a creamy foaminess. It's very interesting. I don't know if it tastes like caramel though. Sweet, sort of like caramel. Maybe like a weak creme brulee taste. This one's interesting. Alright, next thing. Ichigo. So they are, whatever this is, it is strawberry flavored. And I'll put the names of it up here so you'll know what it is because I don't have them memorized. Doing this kind of quick today. So I'm going to try one and save one for my husband. Okay. It's very gooey, like mochi. Probably is like mochi flavored, like strawberry flavored mochi. It doesn't have a filling in it that I can tell. There's a tiny bit of filling. It is mochi, much softer than the mochi you can get in the US. It's good. I don't know if I want to share this one. Might want to keep it. Kawaii Kitty is having problems staying on my shoulder today. Kawaii Kitty. Here we go. This is strawberry flavored as well. Let's see what it's like. And this is the package. Ichigo, which means strawberry in Japanese. one of the few. And there's all these round little ball things in here. It's a hard candy. Round, light pink. What's there? I think it is like strawberry milk flavor. Let's see what the guide says about it, since this one's going to take a little while to eat. All the crates come with this guide, so you can always pause this and read it to get more information. Strawberry milk soft candy. These candies are flavored with strawberries and cream. They have a hard exterior that breaks into a soft, chewy middle. I haven't gotten to the soft, chewy middle yet. After having a tooth pulled, the last thing I want to do is bite into something really hard and break another tooth or something and have to get another tooth pulled, because getting your teeth pulled sucks. I just got to the chewy center, and it is chewy, and it does have kind of like a milky flavor, like the strawberry milk flavor that seems to be really popular in Japan. It's good though. It's very strawberry and cream taste. So now we got this tiny little cake. And I think everything is strawberry themed because it's like sakura season in March. Strawberry chocolate. We'll be on a sugar rush after all of this. There we go. Strawberry chocolate. You can see it looks like a tiny little cake. Unfortunately, I only have one of these, so I can't share it. Yep, that's just plain chocolate flavored. No strawberry flavor or anything, at least none that I detect. It's just chocolate that looks like a little cake. Good chocolate though. Okay, so these are some Ichigo cookies, like cookies filled with strawberry cream. Let's see the packaging. Hopefully it focuses. And that's what they look like. It's this cute little cookie. Doesn't have a lot of filling in it that I can see. Crunchy, sweet. The strawberry taste is very subtle. Kind of like maybe a vanilla Oreo with a very subtle strawberry tasting center. But it's a good one. So far, this one's been full of good stuff. What do you think? You think it's good? Me too. Alright. I think these are plum flavored potato chips. Like the vinegar plum. I'm not sure I'm gonna like this one. You may have to give it to my husband. Let's find out. He might be eating all of this one. It looks like big old potato chips in there. And let's see. They're good. I like it. They have your regular potato chip taste, but then it has like a tangy, sort of sweet flavor. Subtle, but just enough to make it good. I like this one. Awesome. Moving right along. Here is the next one. It's a hard candy. I'm gonna wait on this one. It's like a pie, it says. Like a chocolate pie. It looks pretty tasty though. Let's give it a try. Kawaii Neko! Don't to fix Kawaii Deco here. Feels like it's gonna fall off my shoulder. Oh, cool. They come individually wrapped, so that is good. A little tiny pie. It's harder than I was thinking. I thought it was gonna be a little more soft, but it feels like it's going to be crunchy. It's like a sweet cracker, sugar on the bottom, and chocolate on the top. That one's good. It is an exciting fishing grape candy. I'm wondering if it requires any assembly. Because if it does, we'll probably wait on this one. It does. It's like the Poppin' Kitchen things. So this one probably is going to get its own video. We'll check that one out in more detail later on. Okay, this is some kind of biscuit. Let's see if I can find it real quick because I'm not even sure about this one. Treasures of the Princess. It's a double berry flavored cake cookie. Deliciously filled with strawberry and blueberry jam. So that sounds tasty. I only have one, so I can only eat half of it. So let my husband taste half of it. It's kind of the consistency of a Fig Newton. Yeah, it's like a Fig Newton. It tastes a lot like a Fig Newton, but it's good. So if you've had a Fig Newton before, you've had one of those. This is Sakura little candies, and I know that you use the toothpick to eat them. Hopefully it's not a hard candy. There's a toothpick. Candies are in there. For those who can read Japanese, you can see that, you can read it. I know it says Sakura. I don't know the kanji after it. So you just poke it. Your stick. And it's chewier than I thought it was going to be. The taste is subtle, sweet. I don't know what to compare it to. I'm not sure. I think my camera's about to overheat. Okay, we're back. That's the downfall of having a 4K camera. They heat up. At least the one I have, if it's recording for 5 minutes, it heats up. So you gotta let it cool down. But now we can continue. I did let my husband try the ones that I just tried. You doing good, Kawaii? Kawaii Neko? Yeah. Awesome. Let's continue. So we got some hard candies left. I think these are hard candies, I'm not sure. So they might take a little longer because I gotta eat each one. Takes a little bit of time. Alright. Oh, these are tiny little pellets. See them in there? They're just tiny little pellets. They are hard. They are peach flavored. Yep, it's like a candy peach flavor, not like a real peach, just a candy peach. But it's tasty. Of course, I'm wondering if I opened it wrong. I don't see a way to close it back up. It kind of tastes like the pink ones that you get in the Pez, pink Pez. It tastes very similar. Alrighty, and there we go. This one, which there's nothing on this one I can read, so I'm gonna have to look at the guide. Sonomama Peach. This gum is perfect bit of fun for your Hanami party. One of these 3 gumballs is very sour, and 2 of them are sweet. Play with your friends to see who gets the mouthful of sour. So let's see what we get. Sweet or sour? I like sour, so sour would be good. There they are. I wonder if this one that's a little bit busted open might be the sour one. I don't know. It's chewy. It's not hard. I think that might have been the sour one. I'm not sure. It was very tangy though. Not really sour, it was more tangy. And this is cola flavor. What is it? Feels like a hard candy. Come on, strawberry, cola, ramune, and green apple. I can tell your fortune. So there's a fortune. Red is sunny. Yellow is cloudy. Green is rain. So I guess red is what you want to get. So a cloudy day, you'll have to make extra effort. You get the sunny day, you're gonna have a lucky day. So let's find out what our day is gonna be. Look, looks like I'm gonna have good luck. Woohoo! Isn't that excellent, Kawaii Neko? Yes, it's excellent. Yee. So the last candy I have is this Felix gum. Kind of don't want to open it yet, but at the same time, it has a thing in it. If you win, you take it to a Dagashi store, and you get another one if you win. So I'd like to see if I won, even though I don't know where I would take it to redeem it. But it's just fun, you know, occasionally winning something. Don't you think so? Yeah, it is. It's always nice to win something. So I guess I'll open it and see if I won. I don't even know if I'll be able to read it. The note that it says that I won. I don't know if that's it. Oh, this must be it. Well, I don't know. If you know, did I win? Anybody? Anybody? Can you tell me? I'm gonna have to translate this one because it's not Japanese that I know. So I don't know if I won yet. But that was the April Japan crate. Everything that came in it. It was all good. There wasn't anything in this one that I didn't like. And thanks for coming and checking it out. The May one will be coming very, very soon. I just got it in the mail. So it's sitting in my living room right now. So that video is going to be coming out pretty close after this one, since this one is super, super late. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. If you enjoy talking to Kawaii Neko, definitely come back. And the May one will be coming very, very soon. Mata ne!